I'm out at Hilltop Caravans, north of Melbourne, and we're hitching up behind the Navara, this brand new Hilltop 21-foot Macedon. This is an off-road caravan, and there is so much gear on the inside, and there's really one thing we have to do, and that is just to hit the road and check this one out. We've been exploring this Hilltop Macedon for a good few hours now, and of course I've got my mate Joe along, and I just know he loves this caravan. But this is a high-end caravan, and is it a case of you get what you pay for? What I can say is there is a lot of excellent equipment here. This van does a lot of things differently, and there are a number of items that really caught my eye. It's got 3 120 amp hour lithium batteries, 4 160 watt solar panels mounted on the roof, and you've also got a 2500 watt inverter wired to all the power points. And pretty much a first for me, this van's got an electric induction cooktop, and that can be powered by the lithium batteries. I mean, talk about free camping. When it comes to water, you've got a 110 litre freshwater tank for general usage, and then you've got a 110 litre separate freshwater tank just for drinking water, and of course those tanks run off separate pumps. There's also a 110 litre grey water tank. Now, in terms of entertainment, you've got your full RV Wi-Fi system, you've got the SatKing satellite setup, and the latest Fusion sound system as well. Now, this van makes excellent use of space. There are storage cupboards absolutely everywhere, and that bathroom, without a word of a lie, is one of the best that I've seen in a long time. Now, this van rides on a Supergel chassis by FP Chassis. It's got Cruise Master suspension, and the whole floor area is protected by aluminium sheeting. Now, the Macedon is built with a Meranti timber frame, and it's also got this smooth composite aluminium cladding, not to mention black checker plate. So that's the Hilltop Macedon. It's available in a range of layouts and configurations, and if you're after a comfortable, luxurious van with all the gear, worth checking this one out.